Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn about fill-in phrases that you can use to replace be in silence while you are thinking at the IELTS speaking test, or saying some words like or or whatever, okay, because using those or be in silence doesn't mean you will get more marks for those, okay, but using these filler phrases will help you to gain more marks because you are showing you are confident enough, okay. Also using these filler phrases help you to be authentic. That means examiners value natural and honest communication, and it will give you more time to think while you are saying something. You will get marks, okay. So let's see how we can use this. So the full phrase is, honestly, I'm little bit nervous right now and my mind is blank. Okay, let's move to the first question. Do you prefer living in the city or the countryside? Okay, if you feel nervous or can't think of an answer, you could say, honestly, I'm little bit nervous right now and my mind is blank. But I think I prefer the city because there are more opportunities and things to do. So that shows that you are trying even if you are feeling nervous, okay, means you will get marks. So let's go to a long question. So in the part 2 you may get a question to speak about 1 to 2 minutes about a topic. So if you freeze during your preparation or while speaking, you can admit it gracefully. For example, the task might be, describe a time when you help someone. You could start like this. Honestly, I'm little bit nervous right now and my mind is blank. Let me start by saying, oh, I remember helping my friend with her school project last year. So that buys you time and allows you to focus, okay. Let's move to a abstract question like, do you think teamwork is important in the workplace? So if you are struggling, you could say, honestly, I'm little bit nervous right now and my mind is blank, but teamwork is definitely important because it helps achieve better result. It is better to admit you are nervous than stay silent. So pro tips to using this phrase are, don't overuse it. That means use this phrase only when you genuinely need it. Overusing it might take you seems less prepared. So follow up with an answer. Always try to provide an answer after admitting you are nervous. So practice that in home. Use this phrase in mock speaking test to build confidence and make it sound natural. So let's close this. The IELTS speaking test isn't just about perfect grammar. It is about being natural and confidence. Using a phrase like, honestly, I'm little bit nervous right now and my mind is blank, can help you to recover from difficult moments and impress the examiner with your authenticity.